Got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this scream about butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had you there?
What it do, lovelies? You already know we are back with another Amazon find. Your girl is back with a 13 by 6 wig, 30-inch long. Baby, you already know how we doing. Blonde. And baby, we're going for like a little green and yellow. You know, it's giving like giants. It's giving, I don't know, citrus. It's giving baby, it's giving everything you could think of when it comes to this color. Because baby, I bodied that bitch. I bodied it. Anyways, y'all, as you can see, it comes with 4 combs, 2 straps in the back, a headband, and it comes with a thin lace clear HD. Do you hear you? Baby, she's finna get the job done. As you see, we're going in with the shimmer lights. We're about to knock out every last temptation of yellowness into this wig. You hear you? Because baby, when we get ready to put that color on, we don't need no color that's not supposed to be there when it comes to this wig. So to avoid all that, we're going to make sure that we drop it into the shimmer lights. I use the conditioner because I feel like the conditioner is better for me. I can play with it. I can do it. I can leave it in the water for however long I want to. And it's not going to give me that grayish looking color, that purplish looking color. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I do conditioner. As you see, we are going in with girl, I almost messed it up. Safari, Limelight, and Funky Yellow. You hear you? Okay, boo. So yeah, we're going in with Limelight first. We're going to dip the top of the head because your girl was feeling green at the top because I always do yellow at the top. So I wanted to do green at the top. So y'all, when I tell you I bodied this color because that top was not easy to get on, y'all. It was not easy to get on. When I say it was the most challenging, and I could have literally painted it on, but your girl was being lazy. It was 4 o'clock in the morning, so I just wanted to literally just dye it watercolor. So as you see, I am keeping the ends out of the water. I'm only doing the top, and I'm making sure that I'm trying to get every inch and every centimeter. Girl, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to make sure I get every inch of that wig with this color, okay? I'm trying to make sure every inch of this green tackles every part of that top that I'm trying to get it to. So we're going to make sure we whisk that water really, really good because we don't want no lumps, no humps, no dumps into this wig. I said dumps. Anyways, we don't want no humps, no lumps, and no bumps into this wig, y'all. So we're going to make sure that we whisk our wrist real good to make sure that water is, you know, like it's supposed to be. Tongue tied over here. Can't get the words out, but you know, you get it. You just ain't the first video you've seen with LaKimberly LaBlakes. I said LaKimberly LaBlakes. Baby, bye, y'all. So with that being tongue-tied, y'all, as you see, we went in with the Safari because the Safari is going to give you that hunter green. That Safari is going to give you a shade. It does something to that limelight. Baby, I can't even tell you what it does, but when you put that Safari blue on that limelight color, it hits it with a hunter green. Baby, it turns it into the perfect shade of green that you can ever imagine. And when I say it came out phenomenal, it came out phenomenal. And the way I was trying not to get the green to the bottom, I had to literally keep the ends of the yellow out of the water. And I had to make sure I was getting every inch of the top of it through the water, if that makes sense. Y'all, I used my brush and I combed from the inside of the wig and not the outside of the wig, just to make sure that it was not touching the bottom of the wig because I did not want green on my ends, because if it touched, I was going to just dye the whole wig green. So I made sure I kept the ends out of that water no matter what. They never touched that water. Do you hear you? Keep on watching it and watch how keep on watching and see how I achieve this color, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up, because all that does is help me make more videos for you in the future and push your girl in the algorithm. Do you hear you? Now, okay, y'all, this became my favorite part because when I seen the way that the yellow touched that hair, baby, it was like a sunrise, a rays of sunrise. I don't even know, baby. It was giving body. Do you hear you? Just watch as the way I dipped this this wig into this water, and baby, oh, do you see that? Oh my God, y'all. It took me when I seen that. I was like, wow, this color is actually beautiful. The 2 colors I chose, they was actually beautiful. Like, I bodied it. I don't know how many times I'm gonna keep saying it. I bodied it. And literally, as you see, it was not even that hard to even do the yellow on the bottom. All I had to do was brush through, make sure I wasn't touching the green, and I just kept dipping and kept swaying it from side to side, making sure that it was touching every strand of that wig that I needed to touch, because we didn't want to see blonde. We did not want to see blonde. So as you see, your girl was going in. I could have used the whole bottle if I wanted to, but I didn't want to look gold. I wanted yellow. You feel what I'm saying? So your girl really came through with this color, baby. She did her 1-2. 1-2. Yes. Bodied. Can't tell me I didn't. Hey girl, hey, jumping right into this install, y'all. If y'all want to see that bald head method, go ahead and drop it in the comments and your girl will deliver. You already know what it is. Like, I am here for you. I'm not here for me. As you see, we is going in with this install, y'all. We are going to do 7 layers. As of right now, we are just measuring the wig on our head, making sure that it's seamless, making sure that we're getting it in the place that we want to get it into. So when we get ready to put them layers on, we ain't got nothing to worry about. All we got to do is pull up and cut. You hear you? I do wide layers of glue. As you can see, I do wide layers of glue. My forehead is fat as fuck. You hear you? It's fat as fuck. So why am I going to be on here trying to push the wig back where the line, where my edge line is, when I know I can pull the mug up some more? You hear you? So that's what I'm gonna do. I pulls it up as close to my eyebrows as I can, baby, just to cover that 5 here that I have going on. Do you see it? Do you see it? But as you seen, them 7 layers was 8. It was no white residue around it, baby. I ate. Do you hear you? And as you see right now, I'm just making sure that I'm pulling the wig around up to the up to the clearness where you see the glue stopped. So make sure that the wig is laying where it's supposed to be, and we have no glue sticking out of the wig once we get ready to cut it. Because we ain't trying to track flyaways. We're not trying to track all the little, fuzz and stuff like that that's got to get on the lace by having the glue left over if you got to tie it down and all that type of stuff. So to avoid that, y'all, just go ahead and make sure that you pull that wig up to the point where the glue is stopping, if that's where you want your your wig to lay. Because if you didn't, you wouldn't put the glue up there, period, point blank. As you see, we're going to go ahead and tie the wig down. Make sure that it is seamless and making sure it is looking like our scalp when we get ready to cut it, so it won't be so hard. You gotta make sure that the wig is stuck before you get ready to cut it. You hear you? And your girl when it got her nails did, y'all. They look so cute, girl, period. Anyways, you gotta make sure that wig is stuck on your head. So don't go in cutting it after you lay that wig down. Make sure that you lay it down with a band for at least 15 minutes to an hour. I do an hour and then I cut it off, because baby, when I say it just glides, y'all, it just glides. It glides like you wiping a baby ass, or smooth as a baby's ass. Y'all keep watching this show. I'm finna show you how it glides. Ooh, finna show you. Do you not see how the eyebrow razor is literally just gliding across? It's not giving me no problems. It's not giving me no headaches. It's literally just gliding across the edge line where the glue was laid to cut off that lace like it was, ooh, baby, enough said. You hear you. Make sure y'all cut them ear tabs off right, because if you don't, it can cause a lot of problems with the pressure on your ear, giving you a headache and all other madness that can go on with it. Trust me from experience, it is a hassle and it hurts, y'all. It hurts. So make sure that you are honestly getting those ear tabs the right way. As you can see, it was already tight because I left it on for an hour and some, because your girl went and got her nails did. But baby, make sure you cut it off right. Make sure you cut them off right.
Maybe I'll let you on it, a little bit dangerous. But baby, that's how I want it. A little less conversation, a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you, into you, into you. So baby, let's keep it secret. A little bit scandalous, but baby, don't let them see it. Conversation, a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you, into you, into you. Light me up, so come light me up, my baby.
So you guys, we are going in with the Dola hair melting spray around our edge line, and we are using that twice before we put the band on for 15 minutes to make sure that the lace is sealed. You hear you? And after the 15 minutes, we go in with our Ruby Kisses, number 15, to go around that edge line with our makeup to make sure we see no white residue when it comes to doing a style. You feel what I'm saying? We want to make sure that wig is literally into our scalp or into our skin like she's ours. Baby, my mama birthed me with this color. Stop playing with her. All right, y'all, going in with your mama. We about to try to get these baby hairs to a perfection. You hear you? Like I told y'all before, we are not professionals. We are professionals. You hear you? We get the job done and get it to, you know, we get the presentation done. You see the outside, but you don't know what goes on underneath. You hear you? Even though my wigs underneath did not be bad, because maybe if they were, I was to take them off. I'm just giving you an example of I am not a professional. I am a professional. So don't come for me for the baby hairs because I snap back. Do you hear you? I snap back because I am her. Period. To sum it all up, we flip the baby hairs upwards. We use foam to seal it and give it a little flowy than it would be if it was dry, or you can use Fantasia spritz. You can use any type of wetness to make the baby hairs swoop. You know what I'm saying? Get you a little eyebrow or edge brush and make sure that you whip your wrist. Like whisk it like you're whipping some mashed potatoes or something, y'all. That's the best way I can describe it, because your girl, as you can see, your girl don't have it down pat. That's why I say I'm a professional, not a professional. Professional, not a professional. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, we get the job done. The baby hairs come out to T, you know what I'm saying? To the point where we can wear them out. People be like, your hair is so cute. You know, whatever like that. But as far as getting them like them professionals, baby, no, that's not her. That's not me. And me personally, I don't like that baby hair like that, because it solely tells you to only have your hair in that one style. I like to do my hair in different type of styles. And if you have your baby hair to where your part is made like that, then it's not going to do right with any other type of style. So I just rather just do my baby hairs the way that you see and keep the kicking, period. After we do the baby hairs, I lay it down with this band, Dola hair band, and now we're going to get ready to style it. But your girl did not style it on camera because I was pissed, y'all, when I found that this was a 13x4 and not a 13x6. Your girl was very, 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 very upset. But we worked with it. It came out to be a doozy, a beautiful wig. I swear to God, I love this wig. I will buy it again if it was not 13x6. But your girl need a 13x6 so we can do styles and do all type of stuff. This limited me, and I did not like that about the wig. But if you guys enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe to this channel, because all that does is help me to push more videos. Give me a thumbs up, because all that does is help me to make more videos, and it pushes me into the algorithm so other people can see me and get inspired. If you love, love, love my content, don't forget to check out the other content that we have on the channel. We have wigs, installs, fashion, and etc. I love y'all. See you in the next video.